Okay, so a whole number is written on a card. You were given 3 clues to help you work out the number on the card. Okay, so clue number 1, double the number is between 8 and 18 inclusive. Okay, now they mention this word inclusive. That just means it could also include 8 and 18 as also anything in between 8 and 18. Okay, so inclusive means that it could include these two. When you double the number, it's between these and these. So let's think about what our lowest number could be from clue number 1. Okay, so I write clue 1 there. What could our lowest number be? Well, it's between 8 and 18. So when you double it, the lowest it can be is 8. Okay, so think about a number, double it, we get 8. Right? Well, if we double 1, we get 2, don't we? If we double 2, we get 4. If we double 3, we get 6. If we double 4, we get 8. So 4 is the smallest number it could be. Alright? Because you double 4, you get 8. 5, we'll double that, you get 10. So that's in between 8 and 18, isn't it? 6, double that, you get 12. That's okay, that's between 8 and 18. 7, double 7, you get 14. 14 is between 8 and 18. 8, double 8, you get 16. 16 is between 8 and 18. 9, double 9, you get 18. Now, 18, of course, is at the extreme, okay? So, really, we can stop here at 9, because if I went on to do 10 and double 10, you get 20, of course. Double 10 is 20, and 20 is outside. So, from clue 1, these are the possible numbers they could be. Let's go on to clue 2. It says the number is a prime number, okay? And straight away we can lead from here then which ones, we see from here which ones are not going to be part of our answer, because of course 4 is not a prime number, okay? So we can dismiss 4. 4 is not going to be a prime number. 5 is a prime number, so we can bring 5 down. Right? 4 we're not, but 5 we will. Now, you might not be sure what a prime number is, but remember a prime number has exactly 2 factors. Okay? 2 numbers go into it, divide into it. So 1 and 5, the only factors are 5. But when you take 4, for instance, 4 has got factors 1, 2 and 4. 4 has got 3 factors. 1 goes into it, 2 goes into it, 4 goes into it. That's why it's not a prime number. Okay? It doesn't hurt to actually write your prime numbers here. Okay? So these are the first few prime numbers here. Okay? You notice 1 is not in that list because 1 is not a prime number. Okay? Remember, a prime number has got to have exactly 2 factors. Think about 1. 1 has only got 1 factor itself. But all of these other numbers here have got exactly 2 factors. The 1 and the number itself. So 5 is a possibility. 6, no good. Okay? 6 is no good because 2 goes into it, 3 goes into 6. 6 goes into 6 has got more than 2 factors. 7, absolutely, 7 is a possibility. Okay, 8, no way, because 2 goes into 8, 4 goes into 8. Same with 9. You might think 9 is prime, but actually 3 goes into it, doesn't it? As well as 1 and 9, 3 also goes into it, so it's no good. So clue number 2 leads you to 2 possible answers, 5 or 7. Clue 3 then, the number is not a factor of 100. Well, factor means it'll divide into it. Now, you've got to ask yourself, which of these will divide into 100? Okay, well, if we check 5, 5 goes into 100, doesn't it, if you think about it? Okay, we could see that that's true with dividing. 5 into 1 doesn't go. 5 into 10 goes twice. No remainder, and 5 into 0 goes 0 times. It's 20. Okay, so 5 is a factor of 100. What about 7? Is 7 a factor of 100? Well, 7, does it go into 1? No, it doesn't. Carry it. 7 into 10 goes once. That gives you 7, so there's 3 left over. 7 into 30 goes 4 times. Okay? 4 times, but that 4 times 7 is 28, so there's like a remainder, isn't there? There's something going on here. Okay? So 7 is not a factor of 100. So that's the only number that will satisfy the clue 3.